What's up, man? It's your boy, Hot Boy Jig, and I'm back with another banger, man. What's poppin', y'all? What's going on, man? Show London in the back, man. We are going to Galveston, y'all. Right now, this is our little vlog. Angel behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get... Oh, that ain't my call. Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulty. Make sure I get this video to 10 to 20 likes, you feel what I'm saying? We're going retarded, you feel me? Hold on, let me show Angel. Go ahead, give it. I got you. Angel, Lund. You know what I'm saying? They're a little quiet, but we about to turn up for y'all. You heard me on game. Y'all so late, you heard me, but we made it, you heard me? Look, London, Cole, we gotta get in that water, man. We getting in that water. Y'all make sure y'all, and then the fair, I don't know if y'all see it. It's all the way down there, you heard me? I'm in J's, you know, New Orleans type thing. Then you got the buildings back here. You know, I own all this, so, you know. But let's the games begin. What's up, y'all? About to see what the water. I know it's cold as a mother, but we gonna see, you hear me? Cause I'm a G, they scared. They scared back there. Jamar ain't scared or nothing, you know what I'm saying? Been a general for all my life. You know, I've been fresh, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. See, I ain't asking, you know. And, you know, I ain't worried about nothing. Me, I ain't worried about nothing. And I get watch how warm the water. Oh! Oh! Okay. Alright. Woo! Oh. Alright. I'm gonna stay right here. Cause yeah. It's cold. It's cold, y'all. I ain't gonna stand. Take back everything I see. Woo! Y'all alright? Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Better stay close. Better stay close. Yes. You just gotta get used to it. Hey. Oh, shit. It's because that sun out. That's what's going on. Ain't a little bone in the ass, running from the water. Why you running? Yeah, that's what I meant to say. It's gone. Come on. Y'all Johnson. Get in that water. Stank. Buku fish be going in here. Yeah, y'all, this guy was staying around sundown time. The boardwalk over there, all the way that way. I don't know if y'all see it. Yeah, that Joker. I don't know. I like that color. That's the Mardi Gras colors. What you say, babe? Look at that movie, y'all. Ooh, that movie crazy. What? That's a person. Silly. Let me see. Wait. That's a bird. Oh, okay. I thought.
You're not from the hood. You. Geek.
Oh, rabbit.
why you don't buy games from Dollar Tree. The ball wouldn't even stay in the net. It's a freaking camera. Are you slow? Yeah, just cut it. Where are you going? Wait till he raises his hand. Where you don't run? Go.
All right, hold on, wait. Run this way. Run this way. Put your arm up.
Keep running.
No, come this way. Run off some more.
Run, run, run. Put your hand up. Catch it. Catch it. Oh, Jesus. Cut the freak.
Are you recording now?
Yeah. Ready?
Ooh, what? Ooh. Yeah, huh? A shorter route this time. Keep it recording, eh? Shorter route.
Alright.
Yo! Hey, what?
Oh.
New 42! 890, 890. Hut! Oh my god! Detroit!
Jiggy,
We're gonna redo it. Hold on, keep it recording.
yeah, redo it.
Alright.
Ready?
You know you ready now?
I'm ready.
42! Hut! Yeah. We gotta do better, man. We gotta do better. But yeah, y'all, we practicing for the NFL currently. Don't get mad at the football. The football ain't do nothing. All right. We'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, I'm about to spray them. They don't even know what's about to happen. Watch this, watch this. And you good? You all right? Come here. Uh-huh. Come here. Where you go? Come here. Where you go? Come here, lady. You under arrest. You took off, bro. You were gone. You were gone.
Look at the moon.
Y'all, look at this moon. Y'all, it's better late than never, man. Y'all know when them wolves out there, they're full moon like that. When the wolves, yeah. Oh! But yeah. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Something slight. A little setup. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We got the race right quick. Whoever gets backlash gets smacked. Ready, go. Go. Let's go.
What is wrong with her? Go back! Angel, run! Absolutely sad.
Yeah, she beat.
What's going on with your leg?
She beat. Like I said, we straight out that what?
Water.
Man, we straight out that New Year, man.